Need to deposit Litecoin into your Binance account? Here's how to find your unique LTC wallet address. First, log into your Binance account using the web or mobile app. Navigate to the Wallet section, then select Spot Wallet. Search for LTC in your list of assets and click Deposit. A screen will appear displaying your LTC wallet address. This address is a long alphanumeric string, usually starting with L or M. Always double-check this address for accuracy before sharing it, as incorrect addresses can lead to lost funds. This address is case-sensitive and includes checksums for error detection. Remember, security is paramount. When depositing LTC, understanding networks is crucial. Litecoin primarily uses its own blockchain, the Litecoin network, which is proof-of-work based. Binance defaults to this network for LTC deposits to minimize risks. While multi-network support is available via native blockchain or BEP20, using the native Litecoin network is recommended to avoid fees and complications. Always verify the correct network when depositing or withdrawing LTC. Sending LTC on the wrong network can result in permanent loss. Double-check the selected network before confirming transactions, and be aware of Binance's occasional maintenance periods that may temporarily halt deposits.